right, you guys, look at this. You have one whole row. You have 2 shelves. And you have this one down here. Look at all this, you guys. Look at all that silver. And we're in the clearance. Manny came across these. These are baby seat sunshades. Look at that. Here's what it looks like. So I guess when you have the car seat or baby seat in your car, you put this over it. So when you bring the baby back to the car after shopping, the car seat is not burning hot. That's a good idea. I have never seen this before. You guys, it's super soft. Super soft. This is what it looks like. So you cover up the car seat, baby seat like this. And look at the color. Look at that. All right, and it says Road Comforts Baby. That's the name brand. It's a baby seat sunshade. Let me show you the back. All right, here's the back, and here's the UPC. Hold on, you guys, it's kind of blurry. There's the UPC. I'm hoping you guys can see this. And look at this price, you guys. Boom, $1.95. So it was $7.88 down to $1.95. You cannot beat that. I'm gonna zoom the camera to Manny up here. You guys know what he's doing. He's on Amazon. He's on eBay. Look at that. Look at his eyes.
You think you know me or something?
Is it gold? Is it gold? Is it gold?
I'm checking.
All right, Manny's checking Amazon, you guys. Be on the lookout for those reselling videos. We just did like 5 or 6 of them, and we are ready to put them out. So I hope you guys are ready to start reselling all of your clearance items. I'm not sure if we're gonna take any of these, but if you guys know anybody with a baby, or if you're pregnant, run to Walmart, because this is the best idea. Look at this, you guys. I have never seen these weighted blankets before. Look how nice that is. It looks like a rope at a dock or something.
It's like grandma knitted blanket type.
That is nice. All right, so here's the name right here, and it says weighted blanket. You guys can see this color. Look at how pretty that is. So they got this one, and they got the gray down here. All right, let me show you the UPC. Now, you guys are still seeing these weighted blankets on the shelf right here. So you guys know that if it's not in our cart already, we are not getting these. But we want to show you. That's what it looks like. These are 12 pound. Here's the UPC for the blue. And where's the UPC for the gray? All right, you guys. Here's the UPC for the gray. And I've never seen these before, but I don't think I'm gonna get these.
They're gonna go down.
They're gonna go down, you guys. Right now, they're $99.97. I can't even get that number out of my mouth, because I mean, I'm used to saying 25 cents, 50 cents, 45 cents. I mean, $100 for a weighted blanket. No, not on Angel on the Go. We are gonna leave these here until they go down to $9.99. $9.99.
You stretching it.
I want them to slash that 9 right there, and then I'll pay $9.97. All right, Walmart. So get your act together and lower the price on this one and this one. Look at this, you guys. Look. Only on Angel on the Go. If you guys can believe, these are actually weighted blankets. Look at this. So I'm going to show you 2 different colors. The first one is the mainstays. This is what you guys are going to want to look for. This is a 10-pound weighted blanket. Look at that. All right, so it's a 50-inch by 60, and this is what it looks like right here. All right, guys, look at the color. Look at this. It's like a dark gray. And again, this is a 50 by 60. I'm going to go ahead and turn it around. All right, so here's the back, you guys. Here is the UPC right here. And this color is called Gray Stone. All right, here's the UPC. Look at that color, you guys. And again, you're going to be looking out for the mainstays 10-pound weighted blanket. And if you come down here, here's another color. This one is like the navy blue, and everything else is the same as this one up here. It's a 50 by 60. All right, so look at this, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. These things are pretty heavy. They're 10 pounds. Here's the UPC for the blue, and this color is called Blue Coal, and here's the UPC. All right, so these are the only two colors they have. They have all of these right here, but they only have the dark gray and the navy. You guys, look at this. Oh, $7.50 for a 10-pound weighted blanket. I won. All right, you guys, so here is the price right here. You guys can see $7.50. $7.50 for a weighted blanket. That is unheard of. But Angel on the Go, we always find you guys deals. So don't forget, you're looking for the navy blue or the dark gray for only $7.50. Good luck. Let us know below if you guys scored any of these. All right, you guys, we just showed you those weighted blankets, and there was one that someone took apart. It wasn't us though. And we want to show you how big this $7.50 blanket is. Look at that. It's a 10-pound weighted blanket. Look at how big this is. This is super, super big. It's not that bad for the price. And again, it's 10 pounds. So remember, they have this color and also the gray. Good luck. All right, you guys, I finally found the hair color I'm going to go with for our Hawaii trip. I love this color. Crimson Obsession. Look at this. I love the color. And I have so much hair, you guys. I actually got to get 2 boxes. I mean, I might even have to get 3 boxes because I have so much hair. But I'm going to have to, I guess, lighten up my hair to make it look like this. I cannot wait for our Hawaii trip.